Good afternoon, everybody. Mike Ehrlich coming to you from beautiful Boca Raton, Florida. Today I want to show you this 2006 Sea Ray 340 Sundancer Blue. Really good canvas on this boat. It has full isinglass underneath that black sun cover. See the windlass up front, the snaps for the large sun pad, which is stored out of the sun indoors. There you see those covers. All right, let's step aboard and check her out. Couple rod holders here. The aft of the cockpit, freshwater shower. Nice seating, wraparound seating. Table with drink holders. You've got the wet bar there with a fridge underneath. 3 bucket seats. Nice fiberglass radar arch. Now you get a good look at all that isinglass with the U-zips. That's in good condition. Because of that sun cover, fade on the dash. Everything looks good. There is a separate dash cover. The original Raymarine C80 GPS chart plotter, and a Garmin XS GPS map, as well as sonar. Also, the Icom VHF has replaced the original VHF in this boat. Steering wheel looks good, clutches look nice, helm seats are in great condition, as is my bucket, and my wraparound seats in the cockpit. Let's come on inside. I do have fade on this table. I'd like to sand and refinish that. Beautiful V-berth up front, air conditioning underneath. All the vitricore looks excellent condition. DVD player for the widescreen at the back of the salon. The original microwave coffee maker combo, and lo and behold, the carafe is still intact. All right, all the tambour doors working good. The galley refrigerator was just replaced with brand new. Nice couch here to starboard. All the cabinets are nice. And a big mid cabin, significant with every Sundancer. Tons of storage. There is my bow pad, as well as the pad to make the table in the cockpit a pad. Of course, the head here to port. Faux teak deck, vacuum flush head. Everything looking nice. Thank you for taking a look at this 2006 340 Sea Ray Sundancer. Call Mike Ehrlich with MarineMax, 954-684-1375. Thanks.